All right, today we are going to play the Purple Belt song, It's Raining. Now, there is a new note in It's Raining, and the note is E. You'll remember that the lines spell every good boy deserves fudge, and our first E is right over here on ing of raining. So, to play E, you'll see the picture down here on the bottom. It says the note E, and it shows you which fingers you're going to cover and which holes. So we've got, with our left hand, we've got 1, 2, 3. And then on our right hand, we're now going to cover the next hole under our left hand and the hole below it. So we've got 5 holes covered. E. Now you'll notice you have to have really low and slow breath, otherwise you squeak and squawk all over the place. So let's airband It's Raining. What note do we start on? Every good boy. It's on G. Here we go. G, G, E, A, G, E. E, G, E, A, G, E. G, G, E, E, A, G, G, E, E, A, G, 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 E, E, A, G, E. This is by far the hardest song that we have played so far. So there are TTs in the second line on and he couldn't, and in the. So I'm going to play that for you so you hear how that sounds, just the TTs. T-T-ta, T-T-ta. So they are shorter than your tas and your half notes. Now, to begin practicing, I just want you to take the notes E, A, G, just like I did, and play that over and over again like this. And once you feel like that's really easy to move your fingers, then you can start playing at the beginning. Let's do that together now. We'll play slowly. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. It's okay if you get frustrated. It's okay if it's really hard. It will get easier. Do all those little tricks, airband, then practice E, A, and G, and then start playing with me from the beginning. All right.